All right, so this is your homework question number 8. And it says this: from a window on the second floor of her house, a student measured the angles of elevation and the angle of depression to the top and to the base of a nearby tree. All right, so if you're wondering what if you're bored tonight, you know what you can do. You can try and measure this angle of elevation. You can use a clinometer for the elevation, I guess, a little bit. Anyways, so here's the diagram right here, and we have an angle of 16 degrees. Oh, you can't really see that. Angle of 16 degrees is the angle of elevation from her window. And the angle of depression down to the bottom of the tree is 40 degrees. She knows that her window is 16 feet above the ground. So that's why you have a 16 feet right here. Now, also, this is also 16 feet here from this point straight out her window, right? That's 16 feet as well, which is going to be important. So what is the horizontal distance between the student and the tree? So the horizontal distance is going to be from here to the tree. So this is what we've got. I'm just going to do a quick sketch. We've got 90 degrees here. This is 16. This is 40. This is 16. That make sense? So we're trying to find this length right here from her window to the tree. So do you see any part of this where we can start? Look at what you're given. An angle of 40 degrees and you've got 16 feet. That's the length of this part of the triangle. So does everyone see we have a right triangle and I'm given an angle in its opposite side? I'm looking for this side, which is what? The hypotenuse or the adjacent? It's the adjacent. So opposite and adjacent, what's that going to be? TOA. So we're going to use tan. Very good. So tan of the angle, you always use the angle in with the tan. Never the side length. It's never tan of 16 or whatever. It's always tan of the angle. Equals opposite over adjacent, which is unknown. I guess we'll make it A. And so A is going to be what? Well, that's on the bottom, so it's got to come up. This is on the top. It's got to come down. 16 divided by tan of 40. So 16 divided by tan of 40. 19.06. Cheat that one. Okay. All right. So that is the distance. So for A, if it doesn't say what you should round it to, you can just go ahead and this is in feet, right? So 19.068 feet. If you did 19 feet, that's great. That's for A. Okay, second part, B, how tall is the tree? Okay, so I'm going to erase this here from A. How tall is the tree? Well, I need to find the height of the tree, which is this part plus 16, right? So if I could find this, I would have the height of the tree. So I hope you see that we have another right triangle here. And because we already have our answer from A, which was 19, we're going to be able to isolate. Here's the little triangle that's blown up just a little bit. This is 16, and this is what do we say? 19 feet, sorry. 19.0 or 19.108. We can use that whole decimal place, 0.68. And I'm going to find this. Does that look good? So again, what trig function is that? Tan. Opposite, adjacent. Very good. So tan of 16 equals unknown over 19. And so our unknown side length is going to be .467. Did you get that for a number? So this is 5.467, and we'll add that to 16 plus 16 gives us 21.467, or if it's to the nearest, what does it say? To the nearest foot, so 21 feet. Okay, so 16 plus 5.467 equals 21.467, or 21 feet. And that's your answer for B. Okay? Questions? Any problems with that? Any clarification needed? No, you guys good? All right.